Good morning, children. Today I'm going to make a video of lesson number 20, Whose Forest. In this video, we will learn only the learning outcomes prescribed by the NCERT, and I will explain you with some few activities with the help of which you can achieve these objectives or the learning outcomes related to this lesson. So before starting our video, I'm once again informing you that in the next video I will explain the chapter Whose Forest in simple language so that you can learn the content easily. Let's begin our video. The first learning outcome of lesson Whose Forest is to understand the basic concepts of forest and its importance to human being. Okay, now as you are observing this picture is a picture of forest. We can define forest in simple language as a large area of land covered with trees and plants in which wild animals live freely, no interference of human beings, and this type of area is known as the forest. In India, about 21% of total geographical area is covered with forest, and it is less because about 25%, one-fourth of the area should be covered with uh, forest uh, for the healthy economy or the health of human beings. In India, the Madhya Pradesh, the central state of our India, the heart of our India, has the largest area under forest cover. One thing here I am going to clear is that if you see and if you go through a big gardens having a large number of trees, can you recognize them as a forest? Children, no. That area is not a forest. Okay, the forest means the where the trees grow zigzag or here and there with no no planning, and in which the life of wild animals are easily going on. Okay, children, so here I think you have I'm cleared you the difference of group of large number of trees or the word forest. Now let's come to the next part is that what are the forest products which we get from the plants or the vegetation growing in our forest. The foremost or the main thing is that we get wood, logs for making papers, for making furnitures, for making our houses, and for doing so many things in our life. Spices also you get from the forest. Honey is in large number of honey is collected from the forest. Herbs or the medicinal plants, mainly the major number of medicinal plants you get from the forest or in the Himalayan region of our India. And this is the rubber, which is used in making so many things in today's life. And this paper, and this is jute. Jute is also a plant product, and you get from the plants growing by the farmers as well as in the forest area. Now, how can we save our forest? For this, our Indian government has made a law, uh, and which is abide to follow strictly. Means like this is the Forest Act 2007. Means it is Right to Forest Act, and I have just pasted from the book here because we cannot change the words of any law. According to the Right to Forest Act 2007, people who have been living in the forest for at least 25 years have a right over the forest land and what is grown on it. Means the people who are living in the forest from right 25 years have the full right on the forest as well as the products where they are getting from the trees growing in that forest. They should not be removed from the forest. Means by law, nobody can remove them from the forest. The work of protecting the forest should be done by the Gram Sabha. Gram Sabha is a local government or a body uh, as per our political system. The key objectives of these Forest Right Act are recognition of customary land rights of tribals and other traditional forest dwellers. Means their right and their traditional things should be recognized and should be valued by the government as well as the other people. Ascertaining or settlement of individual and customary land rights means they have the right of that land, but they have no right to sell that thing. Okay, they can use it but they cannot sell it. Enhancement of living condition and ensuring poverty elevation of the tribals. Now it is the duty of the government that their living conditions should be uplifted, should be changed, should be improved. And also the if their poverty elevation means something should be done so that they do not remain poor and they get the other facilities or amenities of a life. The third learning outcome of this chapter is to know about the culture, types of farming in northeast region of India. Here I am showing you the two pictures. First observe these two pictures. Here the some plants are burning and here you are observing that the patches of farming is done. Here it is another thing. There is also again the this burning is going on. So what are these pictures are showing you? Means these pictures are actually the type of farming they follow in the northeast region, and it is called as jhum farming. Jhum farming is very interesting. After cutting one crop, the land is left as it is for many years. Nothing is grown there. The bamboo or the weeds which grow on that land are not pulled out. They are cut and burnt. The ash make the land fertile, while burning care is taken so that the fire does not spread to the other parts of the forest. Otherwise, it will change into a natural calamity, that is fire in forests. When the land is ready for farming, it is lightly dug, not ploughed. Seeds are dropped on it. In one farm, different types of crops like maize, vegetables, chilies, rice can be grown. Weeds and other unwanted plants are also not pulled out. They are just cut so that they get mixed with the soil, and this also helps in making the soil fertile. Means this type of farming you will observe in the northeast region of our India. I will show you the northeast region. Now what about the culture? The culture of these tribals includes the traditional types of clothes they wear, the festivals they celebrate, their dancing style, their singing style, and also their musical instruments and their traditional way of cooking, knowledge of their medicine, art of making toys and pots with bamboo and other things, and also their typical language. All these includes in the culture of their uh, living. And so in this chapter, you will get the culture of two states, two regions of India. One is the Jharkhand, to which the Suremani belongs, and the another one is the northeast region, where you will come to know the type of farming as well as the type of crops they grow, and also other many things about their life. I am now going to show you some pictures where I will explain you the things related to this content or related to this objective. Like this, the first picture in this, you're observing that these are dancing with the help of bamboo, And this dance is known as a chariot dance, and it is very common in the northeast region of India. Especially it is a dance of Mizoram state. And here you are observing that these two girls are making something. This is their art and culture, their traditional things which they are making something with the help of the bamboos or other things. This is the main traditional dress of Mizoram, and this is the main traditional dress of Jharkhand. Sorry, this is the main dress of this Mizoram and Assam. You can say the Assam, and these are the other types of dresses which you can see observe in the northeast region. And these are the pictures where a teacher is teaching them, because it is one of the most important fact about the Mizoram is that, or the northeast region especially, that about all the children of these states go to the school, although they are very uh, we can say that they are very far away from the development, but they all go to the schools, means their literacy rate is very high. And see, this picture is showing you the traditional dress of Jharkhand, and this is the region where you will get the northeast part or northeast state of India. Here we call them seven sisters also, and in this you will get the name of the states as well as their capitals. Okay, and this is all about the learning outcomes of lesson number 20. If you like it, subscribe it or share it with your friends, and wait for the next video which I will prepare about the explanation of this chapter content given in as per the textbook. Till then, thank you and goodbye.